nya ke luone Kidega no RDC na Agago ange oper ka wunyo lok maduong matika time ilok me lemon wa ni restocking but botwa machala chule wa wajani duoko diang mo ruenki a chule kai ma diene guru ni yo ma papa tunu ngeo bagamente machalo Museveni president uyene en bingo ibi compensating kirben mo ulum kwanyo ki mukan mo chwali bi wangi no kwecha gamente wa ni kibi mio diang kibi duoko chen adan meru eni mabe pian ne chal dan patin yang ge ma president pian an la wai president wa eni bi churu diang pa chuli pi 10 years mwagapa ichako ki mwagani tien loke ni dan well be no diang ke kene ni period me churu na yengo ubi timalaj so now kila period me churu na timalaj okay donc ki bi kwanyo pa financial year te kene no chente ki kwanyo dano abija biji amina bichel tien loke ni ka chen bro no ma don ki bi mero pegi wajo ni dan we mi no ki kene don ki nene ki bi no ni we lar po betie ene ki kero guideline money ni wa eno ke ki kwanchel ki bod bulu kwanchel bon mon kwanchel bon bir kwanchel bon gor money just because they want ni work ka view be pe ba no kiro bien mere pare si gonye me gen pe dar mo kanu kwan no deal dog next time beru kumer ki kwanyo para ki kwanyo wanga chuli wa tu wanga an bena ando wando po ki kwanyo wando nyingwa don edo ni mer ki cho penalty ken awzol ma chuli ma mira benefiting so everybody is going to benefit ma nan many pien ki wa gina do tien da dana anga miro chaki nge da tam ni mira ya kwong jem pa gamen mo cha ken ngo mo gi ko ba pe bi gi pien ni angeo ni parliament ni they are going to put an executive order ma le predadir keroni a discussion ki kero concept I mean ki kero ko paper mena ne ki protecting Bana ke de dugi lok wa mai Agago no beber na machel ilo me chwalo nying but ki kene manyo bot diso and we are checking mabe pien aring ki chwalo fake name po be konyo wa would have been number one but now when we got in the ground no dog e ground no ne nying matie e ground nying matie makekelo gini we are all fake names. Fake now, do you say fake names when everybody should get the money? Was that the family like CDO, Paris chief or Keranying one? That is unfortunate. Nying one, Keranying kono, Keranying. So that one doesn't work well. Can you know mergi kwanyo kibol no peper marai? But this is where we are saying it is wrong. En pepe bien miro ki bol ga wa ki bol doge chiwa duo lo ki utien ma wa duo gen mir go chi teme gen do chao nginya pe gi romo cher ka timne because ma pat ki nying ma go timne do ku jugo ku kwanyo bene chente for example kenel kalon I Paris wen I kalon they were picking 30,000 ma go ye ni they pick chatan ubologi ki kwa chene ni so we no go duo be rock pe ro duo ne chien bodan ke bien lo kole kan ali pierre bi de pe kazale go pe kan ali pierre bodan so ke na total look at the total money which is already being picked 50 that's already nya ke the parishes 4 parishes with 6 people that's already about 1 million something Guyana is about 900 kalon because it was 30. So this is what the president is talking about. You people, let's work. This Kisanja, let's leave out what? Corruption. Powanino work down mala chan malo. That's why I'm very annoyed. I am very annoyed on these people who they are dealing wrongly with their own people. Pela lora. Kwalo ki leba chuli. Ni jalmia chente yaka chonyi pedlo ki lemo so this one must stop. The only thing that will make it to stop is to acting positively to the people who are legal issues must be taken legal. I don't want the good thing is political things. I told all the politicians You get away from this thing. Let me manage these people legally. That's why you see 8 of them has already been implemented. Police. And I'm going to pursue this. Tuesday they are going to Ichiario, no get state attorney. I mean magistrate, which I already talked to state attorney. No me but he was not there. So my Tuesday, they will be up to Tuesday. And then they will take them. I'm very serious. They'll go on yellow to give, and then they come when they finish their thing, they will be interdicted and their position will be replaced. I think the new youth which are ready to work with good art, they should be ready. It is only not 8, there are about 15, 16, 20 of them, which I'm going to get all of them. So long as they're within the Agago, we're going to get them. So this is what I want. I want us to be very serious. I don't want the situation that always we are put in spotlight on issues that we can handle. So Lokme performance, service delivery. This one automatic. I want to tell people Agago, it will not going to repeat himself. Me, I don't want to hear. I was concentrating on security issues. I thought the local government here also, we were doing monitoring, but not very serious. But now, as we have come, I have told the head of departments, I've told the CFO to be very careful. Chenema Agago should not go back, because any emir be not money chente kima teacher emir gichwalo. But they keep on rounding. Get dwala, megati dwala. I told him in his face, I don't want this thing. And this is what we are going to do. Letiano right gucharo pieo ye umelo bilubukore. Umelo bilubukore. Me, I'm not going to sleep. I am going to be here to see that this Agago go bolo kuimabe. Mirugimoto anidogi. Now, from the president, from the government, from their own government, they have been voting well. But now, how do you become a middleman in the middle of people to eat people things? So these are issues that must be cleared. I will not close my eyes. They have been calling me. So many people have been calling me to please do this. No, with me no. Thank you.